Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the Shaper tool in Adobe Illustrator to draw various shapes with your left mouse. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you will find the Shaper tool here on the left hand side just below these preset shapes like rectangles, ellipses, circles, polygons. Here, the Shaper tool, you may also access it by using the shortcut Shift-N. And if you draw, for example, let me zoom into artboard number 4. If you draw, for example, with your manually with your hand or with your left mouse, a rectangle without using that shape tool here, you may do that by left clicking. And as you can see, if you hold your left mouse and draw a shape that resembles a rectangle, though not perfect, as you can see, Adobe Illustrator will automatically convert that object into a rectangle. However, you need to set the endpoint, as you can see now. Release your left mouse and that is going to create a shape like this. So if you'd like to, I don't know, draw a star, I don't know if that's going to work because I'm pretty bad in drawing. So let us go with an ellipse. Yeah, there you go, a circle. Then we got, for example, or a triangle. Then we got, for example, a triangle, and so on and so forth. So that's another way how you can draw shapes without using these preset shapes here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.